If you're looking to streamline your prospecting process with CRM software, today we'll dive into how to use TeamGate CRM for prospecting. This quick guide will walk you through how to take advantage of TeamGate's key features to make your sales process smoother and more efficient. Stick around until the end, because we've got an exclusive extended free trial to offer, plus some alternatives that may be a better fit for your prospecting needs. Let's start with the basics. TeamGate CRM is known for its simplicity and user-friendly interface, which is especially helpful for teams looking to manage their prospecting efforts without the steep learning curve of other tools. It's designed to track prospects, manage leads, and automate key parts of the sales process. But how does it actually help with prospecting? Next thing, the lead management features in TeamGate CRM are a huge selling point. You can easily capture and categorize leads from various sources, keeping everything organized in one place. Whether it's from email, social media, or even your website, TeamGate ensures that no lead slips through the cracks. This makes it easy to prioritize follow-ups based on where the lead is in your pipeline. The third thing to note is the pipeline view. It's customizable, allowing you to track your prospects from initial contact all the way to closing the deal. You can visually see where each lead is in the process and move them along with a simple drag-and-drop interface. This is particularly helpful when you need to focus your efforts on the hottest leads and leave the cold ones for later. But it's not all smooth sailing with TeamGate CRM. One limitation is that it lacks some of the more advanced reporting features seen in competitors. If you're heavily into detailed analytics and need deep insights into your sales data, you may find TeamGate a bit limiting. While it does provide some basic reporting, it doesn't have the breadth of options that more robust CRMs offer. Next, let's talk automation. TeamGate offers workflow automation, which is perfect for setting up routine tasks like follow-up emails or reminders for your sales team. While the automation features are handy, they aren't as advanced as some of the bigger CRM players, which offer more complex automation options tailored to prospecting and nurturing. The fourth thing to consider is the integration capabilities. TeamGate CRM integrates with several third-party apps, like Google Apps and Zapier. However, it doesn't offer as wide a selection of integrations compared to some of the larger CRMs on the market, which could be a deal breaker if you rely on a specific tool for your prospecting efforts. Now, with all this in mind, you may still be wondering if TeamGate CRM is the right fit for you. Here's the thing. If you need a simple CRM that gets the job done with essential prospecting features, TeamGate can be a solid choice. However, for those of you looking for something more feature-rich, there are a couple of great alternatives. We've linked an exclusive extended free trial for TeamGate CRM down below, but we've also found some powerful alternatives that might suit your prospecting needs even better. These options come with advanced features, deeper analytics, and more customization options, while also offering free trials. So, if you're ready to make your prospecting efforts more efficient and effective, go ahead and check out the link in the description to claim your exclusive extended free trial to TeamGate CRM, along with those great alternatives that could potentially be a better fit for your goals. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to explore those options through our link for the best free trials and exclusive benefits available only to our viewers.